Hey everybody, I'm Joel Wanasek with Unstoppable Recording Machine, and today I'm going to show you a cool little trick you can throw on your metal mixes to kind of make them come alive, and that is using a multi-band harmonic exciter. Now, a lot of people confuse EQ with harmonic excitement. It's similar, meaning you can add treble, mids, bass, whatever you want, broadband, but what you're doing instead of EQing is you're exciting the harmonics and adding density to that region. And it's pretty cool when you throw it on your mix, because back in the day when everybody mixed using outboards, summing mixers, consoles, etc., that stuff had natural distortions built into them, and those saturations had EQ curves and kind of gave the mixes a sound to it and a certain density. Well, in digital, we have to go in and we have to add that stuff with plugins. So this is a cool way I like to do it. So there's some good harmonic exciters out there. I'm just going to use X-Cite by Drumforge. You can use the one in Ozone, for example. This is a pretty good one too. But I'm going to use the one in Drumforge. And nothing too crazy here. I'm going to flap this into the mode called Drum Room, and I'm just going to bring it up. So let's just put everything at Unity up to in the standard mode here, and let's hear what it sounds like. Now it's going to make it a little bit louder, so I'm going to try to volume match this. Give me a second. I love you. Have you ever felt like this? I love you. All right, so let's listen to it. Now, what you're listening for is it's going to give everything a little bit of a better space in the mix. It's going to sound a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more saturated across the spectrum. It's nice, subtle, but very musical. I love you. Have you ever felt like this? I love you. I don't wanna be left anymore. I like it because it helps the mix come together. Now, in general, if I was mixing this, I might use a little bit more top-end excitement than bottom-end. And let's hear what that sounds like. So I just took this down to 1 and turned this up to 3. I love you. Have you ever felt like this? I love you. I don't wanna be And you can see that's pretty cool because it gives the mix a little bit of saturation, a little bit of size, you know, a little bit of width to it, and a little bit of excitement. And that's a really, really powerful tool that you can use in conjunction with other saturators. So leave a comment below and let me know how you're using saturation and multi-band harmonic saturation in particular, or I should say excitement, on your mixes or on individual instruments in your mixes. Very curious. Please click like and subscribe to the channel here for more great mixing videos covering all types of different topics. Thank you so much. I'm Joel Wanasek, and this is Unstoppable Recording Machine.